Hello, everyone. I'm really happy to be with you today to discuss about the best practices to secure my company, business, and IT. And we will discuss with some of our partners in the marketplace of OVH Cloud. We will talk with Thomas Kerjean, CEO of Mail in Black, David Kramer, Director General of Cognic System, and Noor Mazad, EMEA Channel Manager of Systentia. And I'm Julien Levrard, the CISO of OVH Cloud. So we will discuss today what is at stake in terms of security, of cybersecurity, and what should be taken into account for customers that use cloud services. We will discuss what you can do to protect your business, and then we'll discuss about everything you can do to easily increase your IT security with our marketplace partner and their solutions that can help you. So first of all, let's discuss about what the attacker wants. The attackers, there is a lot of them. They have different natures, but basically they all want the same things. They want to steal your data. They want to steal your information. They want to steal your secrets. They want to use your resources to attack other targets. They want to use your storage, your compute, your network bandwidth to be able to pivot to some other target. They want to steal your money by getting your funds or by blocking your IT and asking you a ransom, or they can just target you for no reason because they are targeting random targets, or you can be a collateral damage in an attack of another target. What is really important to have in mind is that the attacker are not teenager with hoodies anymore. Now they are professional organizations that are extremely organized, that are professionals, that wake up in the morning to attack you. And at the end of the day, they go back to their home, and the day after, they start again. So they are restless. They will attack you over and over, and it will never end. So basically, you as a cloud user, you must protect your assets against this attacker. You, of course, need to respect regulation and protect your asset. There is regulation asking you to protect your asset. And you need, when you have customer, to demonstrate compliance with the commitments you take to them. It's important to understand that a lot of bad things could happen. There is a lot of attacks that the attacker could trigger. Some of them are used to access to your system. Some of them are used to make lateral movement. Some of them are to persist on your system, to extract data, to exfiltrate data, to get access to the data in your information system, to maintain a link with their command and control system. All these attacks are are identified, and you have to protect against all of them, because your data, your IT assets are at risk against all these attacks. So what you can do, there is a lot of things you can do. Of course, we won't have time today to discuss everything you can do. There is so many things you have to do to protect your assets. You can apply patch, you can have an antivirus, you can have anti-spam, you can implement some processes, some policies, you can restrict access to your system, to the data, etc., etc. There is a lot of things you have to do. And of course, as a cloud provider, OVH Cloud, we are here to help you to securize your IT asset in the cloud. And to do that, there is different parts, and there is a share of responsibility of what needs to be done to protect IT in the cloud. The first part, it's OVH responsibility. It's securing the cloud infrastructure, securizing everything that is under OVH responsibility. So it means securing the server, the physical data center, securizing all the IT assets that is under OVH responsibility. And using the cloud of OVH Cloud, you give us this responsibility to protect these assets. A second part of the responsibility share model is that we have to offer, as a cloud provider, we have to offer to our customer all the features and configuration application to help them to configure their service. And we need to ensure that these tools are securized, but also the use of these tools need to be securized. So our customer has a responsibility to use it well, but we have a responsibility to ensure that the tool is easy to use to securize your your cloud usage. And finally, there is a part of responsibility that is directly owned by your customer. All the virtual machine, all the workloads that are operated within OVH Cloud are under our customer responsibility. And this responsibility is under our customer, and these activities are under our customer responsibilities. And sometimes it can be a really heavy burden. And to carry this burden and to help you improving the security of the cloud usage, we have several partners that can help you, and we choose the 3 really important ones that can help you on different topics. And so I will pass the microphone to Noor Mazad to talk about Systentia system and how they can help you to protect your system. So, Thomas, can you explain us how Mailing Black can help OVH Cloud clients to secure their cloud usage?
Well, thanks a lot for OVH Cloud to welcome me in this great event. Just an intro word on Mailing Black. We're the leader in cybersecurity of emails in France. So we have 10,000 customers, and essentially our mission is very simple. We offer a 360-degree protection against cyber attacks. Cyber attacks, like the most common cyber attacks, like ransomware for hospitals, these attacks that block your information system, phishing and spear phishing, like president, CEO level fraud for private sector and local administration. So that's what we do. Essentially, we protect against information stealing, money stealing, or IT paralysis. So why are we working together along with OVH? That's very simple. We believe that, first point, simplicity, democratizing technology, and make sure that it's result-oriented is the first thing that matters to us, and it's something that matters to OVH Cloud as well. You want simplicity. This is the same thing we share in terms of philosophy. We want result for our customers. The second thing is we're a leader on artificial intelligence. We're great at machine learning and deep learning. We built awesome engines to protect our customers. 10,000 customers essentially in France today and growing in Europe. But we want to be able to offer it through a great sovereign cloud. And OVH Cloud is a beautiful sovereign and European built engine that we want to rely on. The third aspect really is we're human-centric. We have a direct connection with our customers, with end users. We have more than 1 million end users that are actually connected to us, which means that we're very complementary to OVH Cloud. Mailing Black actually is an application built and perfectly built onto the information as the IS part, the cloud of OVH, to offer basically a human-centric experience. So we have 2 solutions. Mailing Black Protect, that is a 360-degree protection for against malware, ransomware, and that's growing super fast. And we're very excited to be doing this with OVH Cloud. And we have just announced on TV a few days back and on press Phishing Coach, which is basically aimed at educating your employees and make your employees vulnerable. And we're really looking forward to partner with OVH Cloud on this one as well. So that's essentially what we do today with OVH Cloud.
So Noor, can you explain us how Systentia can help OVH Cloud customer to securize their access to their cloud resources?
Hi, thank you, Julien. Thank you, OVH Cloud team, for having Systentia with you today during this event. Well, lately during the sanitary crisis, what happened is that a lot of companies needed to switch from one day to another. Almost all of their employees to work from home. So either they asked them to go to the office and get back to their workstation and get it back home, or even use their personal equipment And in both situations, they were asked to connect basically through a VPN technology. We know that lately VPN technologies are facing a lot of limits, a lot of vulnerabilities, because basically they aren't designed to respond to that massive need of home working. So we've responded to OVH cloud offer with open solidarity during the crisis in order to help companies to have very quickly a work from home solution in order to ensure their business continuity during the crisis. So Sistancia Workroom is a hybrid remote secure access solution. So what the analysts call today as zero trust network access solution. This service is hosted on OVH Cloud, and it is based on a double barrier system architecture. So basically what we are using is only an outgoing flow that doesn't require any port opening on the firewall to establish any secure connection. And why we've chosen to work with OVH Cloud, basically, and first of all, we wanted to deploy our solution very quickly and in a very easy way to respond to the urgent sanitary crisis. So with Sistancia Workroom hosted on OVH, we can, within few hours, make all of your employees work from home in a very secure way and access to their information system. And this OVH Cloud service is offering us the flexibility of the cloud use. So we can, from one day to another, switch all of the employees to work from home in a very secure way, and the day after they can get back to the office and work from their office. So that means in a very easy way, we can adjust the consumption and manage the use case based on this. The second point is we wanted to respond to all types of remote access solutions and situations. So it can be for organized home working, so people that are allowed to work on a regular basis from home using what we call a trusted terminal or a trusted device. So this is a basic use case of home working. And then the massive home working where people needed to work massively from home with hundreds of people that maybe don't have any professional device. And last use case, which is very important, is for third-party contractors. So people, those contractors can work from their professional device, either if they are at the office or from home, and we can use the agentless mode, so to grant them their connection. So in that use case, we can grant all remote users a very secure work from home environment. So as it is as if they are at the office. This is our challenge. And our product is certified by the French National Cybersecurity Agency in France, the NSSI, and we are also in the Gartner Market Guide for ZTNA. So basically, this partnership that we've created with OVH Cloud will help our customers in France and in Europe to grow a long-term work from home policy. So this policy can respond to weather problems, natural disasters, social strikes, and also pandemics. So we want to give the companies a secure way to help their customers and their employees to work from home, no matter the situation, no matter where they are, from any type of device, and access to their workstation or to their applications and resources in a very secure way. So thank you, OVH Cloud, for this opportunity, for this collaboration, and especially for this event.
Thank you, Noam. Donc, David, est-ce que tu peux nous expliquer, parmi les services de Connix, quels sont ceux qui peuvent aider à accompagner nos clients à mettre en place des démarches de sécurité dans le cadre de leurs opérations sur leurs infrastructures cloud?
Oui, merci Julien, bonjour à tous et merci de me donner l'occasion de présenter Connix durant cette OVH Cloud Experience. Connix System est une société d'infogérance. Sa mission principale est d'assurer le suivi des serveurs et des instances cloud, en particulier pour garantir leur stabilité, leur performance et la sécurité des couches système, c'est-à-dire à la fois le système d'exploitation, mais aussi toutes les applications qui sont nécessaires au bon fonctionnement des sites et des applications web. Les systèmes sont connectés en continu à Internet, donc exposés à tout type de malveillance. Pour réduire la surface d'attaque, il faut limiter volontairement les services installés au strict nécessaire et renforcer la configuration de chaque service. La mise en place de pare-feu ou de filtrage IP permet également de réduire cette surface d'attaque. Généralement, les couches système sont fiables, sont même très fiables. Encore faut-il en assurer les mises à jour et appliquer les patchs de sécurité en continu. Il est important que les applications et les sites Internet soient eux-mêmes à jour et fonctionnent sur les dernières technologies. Dans le cas contraire, il est souvent nécessaire de maintenir des systèmes obsolètes afin d'assurer la compatibilité, ce qui est un énorme risque pour la sécurité des hébergements. Si le serveur a vocation à héberger différents types de sites ou d'applications, il y a moyen de les cloisonner de manière plus ou moins étanche, de façon à éviter qu'une intrusion sur un site ait un impact sur les autres sites ou applications. En travaillant sur la gestion des droits de façon pertinente, en utilisant de la clusterisation, de la virtualisation, il y a différents types de techno pour cela. Sur Internet, les attaques par force brute, par déni de service, les attaques distribuées sont des risques classiques. Si les attaques de type distribué sont majoritairement stoppées par les outils de mitigation d'OVH Cloud, la gestion des attaques par force brute et par déni de service reste de la responsabilité du système. Il est donc important d'installer des utilitaires dédiés pour gérer ce risque. Comme je l'ai dit, les attaques sont continues et la surveillance est fondamentale. C'est important de mettre en place de la surveillance en continu, 24/24, du bon fonctionnement du système, mais également pour les serveurs dédiés, du bon état de santé du hardware. Il est important de détecter les comportements anormaux sur les serveurs, comme par exemple les modifications de pages web, telles que le remplacement d'une page d'accueil, par exemple. Donc, toutes les connexions publiques sur les instances doivent être évidemment chiffrées. Et si votre infrastructure fait communiquer différentes instances entre elles, il est important de les cloisonner dans le VRAC de VH Cloud. La gestion des accès sur les instances est aussi un point sensible. Il est important qu'elle se fasse de manière chiffrée, tracée et idéalement renforcée par une identification à plusieurs facteurs, comme par exemple l'utilisation d'une clé physique. Pour finir, bien qu'il soit possible d'atteindre des niveaux de sécurité élevés sur les couches système, notre retour d'expérience montre que la majorité des vulnérabilités, pour ne pas dire la quasi-totalité, se concentrent sur les couches applicatives, ce qui peut après avoir un impact sur les couches système. La sécurité et la responsabilité sont partagées à la fois par l'application et le système. Merci à OVH Cloud et bonne journée à tous.
Merci, David. Thank you, Noor. Thank you, Thomas. So, in summary, we have seen 3 use cases where using OVH partners will help OVH Cloud customer to cover some specific risk and not the generic risk of the cloud. We got some highlights about the easy deployment of this solution and the integration within the marketplace to make it easy for a customer where security is not their domain of their area of expertise, and the easy integration with OVH product to make a more secure cloud and to get a better use of the cloud in full security. So thank you very much. And now I invite you, if you have any question, to go deeper in this topic, to join us on the live question session.